Welcome back again for our physics PS period. As you have listened to the video pressure, now we will solve some numericals related to pressure. Okay. Now before going to that, I want to explain you a small concept, that is thrust. T-H-R-U-S-T, thrust. What is thrust? You have studied the force. Okay. As you know, the force acts on any surface. Okay. But here, suppose this is a surface. Okay, and its force is acting vertically or perpendicularly to the surface. If any force is acting perpendicular to the surface, then we called it as thrust. Okay, thrust is what? It is a force acting perpendicular to the surface area. That is called as thrust. So what happens? The equation will be what you can also write it as pressure is equals to thrust upon area. Okay, this is just for your understanding. I have to take it because you should know what is thrust also. Thrust means if any vertical force or if any force which acts perpendicular to the surface, then it is called as thrust. So this was just a concept. Now here we will see we will solve today numericals. So in this numericals here you can see what it is here. The force of 200 Newton. Okay, see how much a force of 200 newtons acts on area of 0.02 meters square. Find pressure in Pascal. What do you have to find? Pressure you have to find. So while solving these numericals, how you should solve the numericals? First you have to always write given things. Okay. First you have to write given. What things are given here? Force of 200 newtons. F is equals to 200 newtons. Then area A is given. A is given how much? 0.02 meter square. Okay. Find the pressure in Pascal. What you have to find? To find what to find? Pressure in Pascal. You have to find pressure in Pascals. Okay. This you have to find. And how you will solve this solution? This is the pattern how you have to solve it properly in your notebook. Okay, this sequence you have to write. Always write the given things, what you have to find, and then you have to write solutions. Or in between you can use a formula also. Okay, for to find this, and after that you can also use the formula which is going to be used in this equation. Formula below that you can write pressure is equals to force upon area. This is the formula you will use here. So in solution, what you will do? Substitute that things, all the things. P is equals to F upon A. In that, what is the force? Force is 200 Newton, and 200 Newton upon area is 0.02. Okay. By solving this, what you will get by solving this, as both the terms are 0, just you can shift this decimal points to this side. If you are shifting this, means what you will get? 1 and 2. If you are shifting 2 places that side, again what you have to do? You have to extend here more 2 zeros. Okay, here 2 zeros will be added over there. So what you will get then after solving that? I will write that equation here. 2 0 0. Okay, now I want to shift this 2 point this side, 1 and 2 places. So I will get here 2. So as I am shifting the 2 places, here 2 zeros will get add. Okay, and now what will I will get the pressure? Pressure applied at that point will be cancel this C 1 0 0 0 0. So here you are getting is 1 0 0 0 0. That is 10,000 Pascal. So this will be your answer. 10,000 Pascal, or also you can convert it into 10 kilo Pascal. Okay, actually you have to write this only because here what they have asked? Here they have asked to find it in Pascal. Okay, so this way you can write it. So this is how you can solve the numericals on the pressure. So again one more type numerical we will see from this topic. This is the second numerical. What will be the force required to exert a pressure on 20,000 pascals on an area of 1 centimeter square? Okay. So this is the numerical. How you will solve here? What we have to solve? We have to find the force over here. pressure is given 20,000 Pascal, area is given 1 centimeter square. Now see in this question, as it is given, area is given in centimeter square. But here we have to convert it into meter. Why? Because the unit which we are using is the meter square. Okay, that is pressure is a unit we are using Newton per meter square, or area we are taking in terms of meter square. So here instead of centimeter you have to convert it into the meter. For that purpose, first we will write all the given things. What things are given here? Pressure P is given 20,000 Pascal. Area is given A equal to 1 centimeter square. Convert this area into meter square. What you will get? Okay. So those who don't know how to convert this, those who have problem with converting this, I will show you how to convert this here. Okay. You all know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now what we want to find here? 1 centimeter square. Convert this equation into 1 centimeter square. This 100, take this 100 this side. So what it will become? 1 upon 100 meter. So here you will get 1 centimeter. Okay. Now what it is given? 1 centimeter square is given. Square the equation. If you will square this, what you will get? 1 upon 100, squaring both sides. 1 upon 100 square equal to meter square equal to 1 square into centimeter square. So what you got? 1 centimeter square equal to, how much you are getting here? 1 upon 100 square. Means what? 1 upon 100 square means what? What you can say here? That is 1 upon 10,000 meter square. This is the 1 centimeter square. So using that equation over here, okay, or you can also write it as what? 10 raised to minus 4. If you can also write it as 10 raised to minus 4 meter square equal to 1 centimeter square. Okay, that you will use here. So 1 centimeter square is in how much? 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Now given here we have written. Now what we have to find out? To find is the force you have to find. Formula is what? Formula will be pressure is equals to force upon area. As you have to find the force, what you will write? What will be the formula? Force is equals to, this term it is divided. When it will come this side, it will multiply to this term. So pressure into area. So force is equals to pressure into area. Okay, you have to find this A, it will come here and it will multiply. So using substituting this solution, what you will find the solution? As F is equals to P into A. So P, what you will write? Pressure, how much it is? 20,000 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now 10 raised to minus 4 and here 4 zeros are there. So what happens? It can be cancelled, or if you will use this same equation over here, that 1 divided by 1 0 0 0 0, 4 zeros. So this 4 zeros and this 4 zeros will get cancelled. So what you will get? Force is equals to 2 Newton. So here what will be the answer? Answer will be 2 Newton. Okay, because this 10 raised to minus 4, 4 zeros will, if you will shift this point over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 point will shift here, and means we will remove all these 4 zeros, only remaining is the 2. So answer for this question is 2 Newton.